Welcome back to another tutorial. In this SolidWorks tutorial, we're going to cover the revolved boss feature. So we are going to first go over what we have here. So we have an existing sketch with a closed circular profile. We have this plane here offset at an angle of this existing axis here. So let's go ahead and click the revolved boss icon. It's going to ask us to first select an existing sketch profile, so we'll select this, and it gives us a nice preview in yellow of what our revolve could potentially be. It automatically selects our axis of revolution, being this axis that we drew in, and for our selected contours, of course, we want to select this region here. Now currently we have it as a blind revolve 360 degrees around, and we can adjust this if we want to. So if we want to make this less, we'll select OK. If we want to make this the full 360 blind, we can go back and do that, which will make it just an entire donut shape. If we go back and edit this now, if we select up to surface, we can select this plane here so that it only goes up to this plane on an angle. We'll select OK again, and now we have just a partial revolve. So those are just some settings you can set in your Revolve Boss tool in SolidWorks. If you like this content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.